Okay, so first we are going to start by making our candies, which are going to be gummy bears. We'll start off with making the red ones. So here I have melted 10 grams of Pillar of Bliss, and I will be adding red dark pink liquid dye. This smells really good. It has I don't really smell the mango it's supposed to have, but I do smell the grapefruit a lot. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for all the other colors, except I will be melting 5 grams instead of 10 because I'm not going to be using all these gummy bears. I'm only making a few of the wax melts. But just so you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 grams makes 11 gummy bears. Something I wanted to show you is that because 5 grams is such a tiny amount, the way I'm melting it is just with my heat gun, and it melts up to, I've been getting about 190, 195 when I'm melting it. Putting it in the microwave takes too long, and you're just going to heat up your cup, and I'm scared it's going to break. And putting it on a double boiler is just such a tiny amount. So if you have a heat gun, this is the best way to do it. And you just go like that. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. So for the rest of the gummies, I'm going to be putting in monkey farts. And for my green, I've added a shaving from grass green. I don't have liquid greens. I have melted 40 grams of the Pillar of Bliss. Ooh, it is pretty hot. I will be coloring it with this coffee caramel dye. I'm only going to, again, just touch a little bit and then put the color there because I don't want it to be chocolate. I want it to be the color of a waffle. Okay, so I have 40 grams. I'm not sure how many waffles we're going to get. This is the first time I use this mold. So we're all going to find out together. Oh no! I forgot to add the fragrance. Oh no! Okay, we're just going to have to wait. No, you know what we can do? Okay, so see how handy it is to have a heat gun. I actually bought it to package my soaps, but very handy. So we are at 158. So we want to put in our monkey farts at 15%. So that's going to be 6 grams. So while everything else is drying, I have added 20 grams of soy wax 464 and 20 grams of Pillar of Bliss. So it's 50-50. I will go ahead and melt this, fragrance it, and then just let it sit there until it starts setting a little bit so I can start whipping. So I'll be back. So we are exactly at We are exactly at 179, which is good. And I will be adding 6 grams of Butt Naked. This is going to give us that islandy scent, which is going to combine very nicely with the fruits. So I'm going to keep stirring, and I'm going to wait for it to set a little bit so we can start whipping. So I'll be right back. So here's the whipped cream. I grabbed this little spatula so I can scrape all the sides and not waste any wax. If you've been watching my videos, you know I don't like to waste any products. And I will be adding them to this piping bag with this tip. Well, let's hope we have enough, folks. So here are my little waffles. Not about to do them backwards too. Oops. They are super adorable. Here we have our bears. And I'm still debating if I want to drizzle some strawberry. I think I do, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I think I am going to drizzle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some of these red bears and I'm going to go ahead and melt them. I've melted the red bears, and if you remember, this is the Palm Island scent. So and I'm going to use a pipette just to drizzle. Okay, and there you have it. We just made some waffles topped with whipped cream and candy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.